BiPap Vision ventilator made by Respironics, very popular and used in a lot of hospitals around the United States. And you can see we've got other ventilation equipment here that's in stock. If you're looking for BiPap Vision, you can see we sell these with all the parts, all the attachments, and all the pieces. And these can basically be shipped anywhere in the United States, anywhere in the world. These will be used in an operating room procedure. They'll also be used for intensive care, acute care. But if you need ventilation equipment, give us a call and we can give you our latest models and information. We also, as you see right behind, have the Spirit ventilators, and those are also in stock as well. So give us a call. Hospital Direct Medical, iMedical, San Diego, California, Richmond, Virginia, 858-263-4894.